Hey, welcome to Pat Mark, and today I'll be teaching you the brand new song by Liam Gallagher called Shockwave. This is an awesome song. What I'll be doing is breaking down all of the chords, strumming patterns, and pretty much everything that he plays in this great song. It's like a classic. Like, you can't expect anything other than like the former member of Oasis. So make sure before we get started that you subscribe to Pat Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. And if you've got a specific song that you want me to do, make sure to become a supporter on our Patreon and tell me what song you want, and I can give you a shout out and make your own personal song request. But before we get started, here's a little sneak peek of what you will be able to play by the end of this lesson. It's coming round like a shockwave. It's coming round like a shockwave. You've played this game one too many times. You're gonna burn up till you behave. You open the shame, will open your eyes. It's coming round like a shockwave. The chords you're going to need are D, G, C, A sharp, or B flat, whatever you want to go, B minor, and an E chord. Anyway, so if you already know how to play those chords, then skip right ahead, or if you don't, or just want a quick reminder, then I'll be going through them right now. Firstly, our D chord. That's open on the first string, and second string, third string, and fourth string, all being held down on the second fret. So just get your first finger and lay that across the second, third, and fourth strings. Just leave that first string open. It's a bit tricky if you're a beginner, but anyway. G chord is first string, second fret, second string, third fret, third string, second fret, and open on the fourth. C, probably the easiest chord that you'll probably know already, is the first string, third fret of the ukulele, and open on the rest of the strings. A chord is open, first two strings, third string, first fret, fourth string, second fret. And now at A sharp, or B flat, whatever you want to call it, is first two strings, first fret, third string, second fret, and fourth string, third fret. Now to play a B minor chord, scooch that up one whole fret, and you want to be taking off your middle finger and just replacing it by laying your first finger flat on all three bottom strings. So it goes from the bottom, second, 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 fourth. And finally our E chord is first string, second fret, now third finger across the fourth fret of the second, third and fourth strings. If you need to go back at any time and just like look at those chords again of me explaining it, because I might have rushed to put it, then just go back and do that now before we get started. So the intro is, and I suppose the verse is D, G, C, A. But it's played differently, like, because obviously we're playing it on the ukulele. So D, G, C, A. Just continue that up until the pre-chorus. But the intro is, and that is like one downstroke of D, down up stroke on the G, one downstroke of C, and one downstroke of A. So down, down, up, down, down, down. I suppose then like you play it twice, and then we get the beginning of the verses. again it's just D, G, C, A, but obviously do the, so it's down, down, up, up, down for the D, and down, up, down, up, down, up for the rest of the chords. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. You sold me round at the river, you had to hold me back. You could look for the sunshine, yeah, but you had to make the whole thing blank. Snip up the verse right up until the pre-chorus. So it's a B minor chord, E chord, G, and D. Back to B minor, E, and G. Hold it out. And then we go into the chorus. So the again the strumming pattern, same kind of thing. Down, 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 up, up, down, up, 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 down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. So with the lyrics it's, oh, your darkness has come back to you in time. Brace yourself, world is about to blow your mind. It's coming round like a shockwave, shockwave. And then we'll get to the chorus in a minute, but yeah, that's just the pre-chorus. It's what we played at the beginning-ish. So it's D, again G, C, A, D, G, C, A, and then we do the A sharp, on down, up, down, up on the A sharp, then a G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, then do go back to the D, G, C, A, then do that again, A sharp, G, like leading on to the second verse, it's just the one stroke of the D. No, like we did in the intro. So one more time, that's, it's coming round like a shockwave, it's coming round like a shockwave. You played this game one too many times, you're gonna burn until you behave. You open the shame, will open your eyes, it's coming round like a shockwave. Second verse, exactly the same as the first pre-chorus and the chorus. The only other bit that we really have to talk about is the kind of like bridgey bit, and what that is it's G. What that is G, A sharp, G, A sharp, G, A sharp, E, G. Then we go into the chorus like shockwave. So that bridgey bit is, you're a snake, you're a weasel, you're a tadpole in the sea, and the pain you feel is washing over me. It's coming around like a shockwave, coming around like a shockwave. Then yeah, as you probably guessed, we go back into that chorus. The only difference really is like I'll play it through, so coming around like a shockwave, it's coming around like a shockwave. You played the game one too many times, it's gonna smell until you behave. Shame will open your eyes, the shame will open your eyes, the shame will open your eyes, it's coming around like a shockwave. So that's just the A sharp to the G. You know when you do the shame too many times, you play it 3 times before finally finishing on a 1 strum of the D, epically finishing this song. So if you enjoyed this lesson, make sure you subscribe to Planet Mark and hit that bell notification to be told of the next great upload. We've got loads of other great stuff in the charts at the moment, and if you have a special song request, which we don't currently have, or it's like a classic great song, definitely support us on Patreon, because that's the only way that you will be able to get your song requested by Planet Mark, so definitely go check that out. Go support us and we'll give you a shout out as well. Follow us on Twitter at PlanetMarkVlog or Facebook.com/PlanetMarkVlog. Like and share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.